Hello everybody, I'm Lee, this is Combe Valley Campers, and today we're holding our first Campers and Coffee. Ever since I started Combe Valley Campers way back in 2016, I wanted to do two things. One of them was to make how-to videos for you guys so you could learn how to make your own camper van yourself or modify or build your own camper van. The second thing I wanted to do was create a sort of show for the community. And today we are now September 2020, it's post-lockdown, we are holding our first Campers and Coffee meet. There's been no shows this year, not really. So to actually have a meet with just some invited people only, because we've got to keep the numbers down, we wanted to get everybody together, enjoy the weather, show off our shop, and just, well, I wanted to show people what we've got going on here. We've got a lovely little site, and bearing in mind it's a busy working industrial site, we could only do this on a Sunday, so it's a nice Sunday. We've got everybody down here. We've got Ali with his camera. Thanks, Ali, for coming down. We've got Nick from NWVT who's taking photos, so enjoy looking at those photos on the blog later. We've got my van here. We've got Project Lockdown. We've got David Powell's own camper van there, the beautiful Green Bay. We've even got a VW hearse here, which is a brand new thing, and what I'll do, I'll leave some details down in the description of this beautiful camper van, or this beautiful van. This is only just finished. We've got probably the sickest looking van that's come out of the southeast in the last couple of years. This belongs to a buddy of mine. This is Sam Brown, and this beautiful looking van, I'm sure you see some shots of it later. This is his first big outing. We've got Colin here with his T4. We've got another beautiful splitty as well. We've got T5s, T6s, coach-built T4s. And we've got a really good representative from the local boys and girls who have got all their T4s. So we've got Chris Bulmer. Chris, you'll remember from our lowering video when we lowered Project Lockdown. This is his other van here. He lowered vehicles and he raises them. This is his. This is Minty. This is his own personal camper van, but he also built this one here. We've got one of our local painter guys, that's his bay over there, and we've got a good friend of mine, Ben, his bay's up at the back there as well. So we've got a huge amount of cars here. Bearing in mind it's only the first meet, it's invite only, but I invite you now to go and take a look around and just, well, welcome to Campers and Coffee. We hope to hold more of these. We think we might need a little bit more space, and when we open them up to the public, you'll be the first to know. So that's it, we are wrapping up for the day. We've started to have people leave now. It's in the afternoon and we've had a lovely day. We've had the coffee shop open, we've sold some merch, and we've just had a really good time on this Sunday, just sort of mixing with all our buddies who we haven't seen over the entire show season. Thank you so much for joining us. Don't forget to look down at the links in the descriptions for our patrons. Oh, that's a point, our patrons were the first to be invited. So if you want to be invited to the next one, why don't you head over to patreon.com and go and check out our links for there as well. But for today, thank you very much and we'll catch you later.